Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I am super excited to share something incredible with you today. In this video, I am going to show you how to create absolutely amazing stickers using OpenAI's powerful API. And here's the best part. I actually used this technique at DataHack Summit 2025 and the response was phenomenal. People were blown away by the quality and the creativity of the stickers we generated. Whether you are looking to create custom stickers for your project, events, or just for fun, this method will completely change your game. So grab your coffee and get comfortable. Let's dive right into the exciting tutorial. StickerVerse is an AI-powered platform built to transform user photos plus text into WhatsApp-ready stickers. Users can either write custom text prompts or select predefined phrases grouped into categories such as corporate, memes, Bollywood, Hollywood, sports, and more, and get the generated stickers on their email and the WhatsApp. Let's see how it works in a simplified manner. First, user uploads a photo, and after that, user enters a custom prompt or select predefined phrases from the category. After that, system validates the inputs, filtering out the offensive word and correcting the spellings. And then finally, AI-powered style transformation is applied to the given photo. And the final PNG sticker is generated and stored, and then user receives these stickers via Gmail or WhatsApp. At its core, Stickerverse is built around three principles: personalization, simplicity, and shareability. Now, let's understand the architecture. First, the user provides their name, email, and their WhatsApp number. Then, user uploads or captures the photo, select the phrase, and select the style category. For example, in our case, caricature or Pixar style. And then, the app's AI engine creates three unique stickers variation in the background. And finally, the user receives their personalized stickers directly in their email and on their WhatsApp. This is an advanced Python project that combines AI image generation and web technologies to create personalized stickers from photos. We will explore how this system uses multiple OpenAI API keys for parallel processing, integrates JavaScript for camera capture, and implements intelligent text processing with spelling validation. Before diving into the code, let's understand the application. This system operates on multi-threaded approach using three OpenAI API keys simultaneously to generate different styles of stickers, two caricature variation and one pixel style animation. The application supports both camera capture and file upload with built-in spelling correction and extensive phrase database organized by categories. First, we got the capture photo function, which demonstrates how to integrate JavaScript within a Jupyter Notebook environment for real-time camera access. This function creates a complete camera interface using the Media Device API, allowing users to capture photos directly in the browser. The JavaScript code creates DOM elements dynamically, accesses the user's camera, and converts the capture image to base64 format for processing. Next, we got intelligent spelling validation. One of the most sophisticated features is the spelling validation system. This function uses GPT-4o Mini with a low temperature setting to ensure consistent correction while preserving the original meaning and the style of the text. The system handles multi-language content, including Hindi-English mix, which is common in the Indian context. The build prompt function showcases sophisticated prompt engineering for AI image generation. This function constructs highly detailed prompts that specify exact technical requirements: 1024x1024x pixel resolution, transparent PNG format, 8px borders, and precise text placement. The prompt engineering ensures consistent quality across all generated stickers while maintaining facial recognition and emotional expression alignment. Next, we define three distinct artistic styles. Each style variant contains specific instructions for different artistic approaches: two caricature styles with varying level of exaggeration and one Pixar style 3D animation. This variety ensures users get diverse creative outputs from a single photo. Next, we have created a database for different phrase categories. Now, the generate single sticker function handles the actual AI image generation. This function uses OpenAI GPT-Image1 capabilities to transform uploaded photos into styled stickers. Each client uses a different API key, enabling true parallel processing. The parallel processing approach reduces the total generation time from approximately 90 seconds to around 30 to 40 seconds. The system tracks completion times and provides efficiency metrics to demonstrate the performance improvement. The application successfully bridges the gap between complex AI capabilities and user-friendly interface, making advanced image generation accessible to non-technical users while maintaining high-quality output and performance. Next, we got a function to select between the phrase categories and custom prompt. And after that, we got a function to get the custom phrase from the user. Now the create custom sticker parallel allows the user create stickers with custom phrases, all three styles using the same custom text. Next, we got the create category sticker parallel, which allows the users to create three stickers in parallel. It chooses three unique phrases for three stickers and submit all the tasks at once. Next, we got the stickers from uploaded image. This function allow users to upload their image and create stickers. And similarly, we got stickers from camera direct, which allows the users to directly take pictures and generate stickers for them. Next, we got a function add custom phrases, which allows users to add custom phrases to their stickers. Finally, we got the interactive menu function, which asks all the questions about the sticker generation process. And that's it. Now you know how to build your own StickerVerse. Now, let's try it on. First, let's install all the required libraries. After that, you have to give 3 distinct API keys for faster sticker generation. You can also use one API key, but it will increase the time of sticker generation. So now I'll add my API keys here. After that, let's import all the necessary libraries. Once this is done, now we will execute a cell with all the functions we have defined for sticker generation. Once this cell is executed, it will ask us some questions regarding sticker generation. So you can see on the screen, it is asking choose the image source, capture from camera or upload image file. So we'll upload an image file now. Now I have an option to upload the file, so I'll click on it and upload the image here. Now it is asking the question, choose your sticker text option. Pick from phrase category or enter your own custom phrase. So I'll pick from phrase category. I'll choose the option 1. And then we got different phrase categories here like corporate, Bollywood, Hollywood, Tollywood, sports and memes. So I'll go with memes. So I'll click on 6th. Okay, now so our stickers are generating and you can see the validation function working here. Once the stickers are generated, we can see all the stickers generated in the folder. So yes, within 37.4 seconds, we got all 3 stickers generated. So let's see the stickers now. So meme sticker 1, serious hai, serious hai. Let's see the second image. And let's see the third one. Now you can create your own StickerVerse by following these steps. Thank you for watching.